The Hindu Summary 9th and 10th October 2016. World Post Day, 9th October. World Post Day is celebrated each year on 9th October, the anniversary of the establishment of the Universal Postal Union in 1874 in the Swiss capital, Bern. The theme for this year 2016 is Innovation, Integration and Inclusion. Union Power Minister assures electricity for all by May 2017. Union Power Minister Piyush Goyal assured that India would have 100% electrification for all by 1st May 2017. He also launched the Urban Jyoti Abhiyan Mobile, Urja, app, developed by the State Run Power Finance Corporation, to enhance consumer connect with the urban power distribution sector. 114 rupees. CR approved for Hriday projects. The Union Ministry of Urban Development has approved projects worth 114 rupees crore under Hriday scheme for improving infrastructure facilities around core heritage sites in 5 cities. These 5 cities are Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, Amritsar, Punjab, Dwarka, Gujarat, Puri, Odisha, and Warangal, Telangana. India to host conference on disaster risk reduction. India will host the Asian Ministerial Conference for Disaster Risk Reduction, AMAG, next month. The 3-day conference, to be held from November 3rd, is being organized in collaboration with the UN Office for Disaster Risk Reduction, UNIST, Doordarshan, IGNOU sign agreement for telecast of Gyandarshan channels. Doordarshan and Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU, have entered into an agreement for transmission of 4 Gyandarshan educational channels. Gyandarshan ran successfully till 2 June 2014, but was shut down by ISRO to facilitate its migration from INSAT 3C to GSAT 10. India's first international arbitration centre inaugurated by Devendra Fadnavis. Maharashtra CM Devendra Fadnavis inaugurated India's first centre for international arbitration in Mumbai. The MCIA will be governed by a 17-member governing council. The Mumbai Centre for International Arbitration, MCI, will initially be located at Express Towers. Bathukamma event enters Guinness Book of World Records. The Telangana government organized the traditional state festival of Bathukamma on at the Lal Bahadur Stadium in Hyderabad. The event, attended by about 10,000 women, found a place in the Guinness Book of World Records. The Telangana government has declared Bathukamma as a state festival. Indian pharma companies rank 19th in Biopharmaceutical Competitiveness and Investment, BCI, survey. Indian pharmaceutical companies have ranked low at 19th position with an overall score of 59 out of 100 among in the Biopharmaceutical Competitiveness and Investment, BCI, survey. The survey of 28 countries was commissioned by the Pharmaceutical Research and Manufacturers of America and executed by the Puget Consilium. It was 3rd edition of survey. Luo Zhehui, China's new ambassador to India. China's President Xi Jinping appointed Luo Zhehui, a senior diplomat with previous assignments in Pakistan and Canada, as China's new ambassador to India. He will take over from former Chinese ambassador to India Lei Yaqian, who left New Delhi in April. PV Sindhu now brand ambassador of Vizag Steel. Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Ltd, RINL, the corporate entity of Vizag Steel, has roped in top-ranked Indian badminton player PV Sindhu as its brand ambassador. Sindhu, currently amongst the top 10 ranked players in the world, is the first Indian female athlete to win the Olympic silver medal at the Rio Olympics, and she is also the first athlete to win back-to-back medals at the World Badminton Championships. Sprinter Shrabani Nanda wins Eklavya Award. Sprinter Shrabani Nanda has bagged the 24th Eklavya Award for the year 2016 in recognition of her sporting excellence. Shrabani won gold in 200m, silver in 100m and 4x100m relay in 12th South Asian Games held in Guwahati in February. She had also won bronze in 100m and 4x100m relay in Asian Grand Prix Athletics in Thailand in June 2015. Andy Murray wins 2016 China Open Men's Singles. Andy Murray won the 2016 China Open Men's Singles title at the National Tennis Center in Beijing, China. World number 2 Murray defeated Grigor Dimitrov by 6-4, 7-6. The China Open is an annual professional tennis tournament held in Beijing, China. Agnieszka Radwanska wins 2016 China Open Women's Singles. Poland's Agnieszka Radwanska won the 2016 China Open Women's Singles at the National Tennis Center in Beijing, China. Radwanska defeated Johanna Konta 6-4, 6-2 to grab the title.